Is your battery percentage not shown on your Windows 11 system? Let me quickly show you how to turn it on in less than a minute. By default, some Windows 11 laptops only show your battery icon without the percentage, which makes it hard to know exactly how much power you have left. Now let's fix that. You click on your Windows Start and open Settings. Then you click on Systems on the right hand. Then scroll down to Power and Battery. Select it. Now you can see your battery percentage is visible. You turn it on. Yeah, I turn it off. You can see you just have your normal battery icon, but if you turn it on, you should see your battery percentage. And just like that, your battery percentage will appear on your taskbar. This feature is only available on the newer versions of Windows 11. If you do not see this option, your system may be running on older versions of Windows 11, so you just try and update your Windows. Click here to update. If this will help you, don't forget to like and subscribe to KinspireTech, where we help you fix, learn, and build tech solutions for everything. Thank you, and see you in the next video.